Okay, fifth graders, today is the last day of Module 1. We've reached the final lesson of our first module. This is Module 1, Lesson 16. And as you can see by our learning goal, we are going to use all that we know about working with decimals. We've learned how to do a lot of things with decimals. We've learned how to add decimals, how to subtract decimals, how to multiply with decimals, and how to divide with decimals, so all 4 operations. And we're going to use this to help us solve word problems. Okay? Word problems are just examples of how you use these numbers and these operations in real life. An example of a word problem is your problem of the day. It says, Jesse and 3 friends buy snacks for a hike. If Jesse and 3 friends buy snacks for a hike, how many people altogether are eating the snacks? 4. Good. So they buy trail mix. It costs $5.42. Apples, that cost $2.55. And granola bars for $3.39. The question says, if the 4 friends split the cost of the snacks equally, how much should each friend pay? The first thing you need to figure out is, what in the world is this question asking me to find? What is this question asking us?
The problem is asking how much does each friend pay.
Good. We need to know, in the end, how much is each person going to pay. Okay? The important information is we know that there are 4 people altogether, Jesse and 3 friends, right? And that they paid $5.42 for something, $2.55 for something, and $3.39 for something. Does it really matter what they bought?
No.
Not at all. Just the prices, right? And we need to know that they split it equally. So now that we've done R, we've read the problem, what would the next step be? D, draw. Some of us are still not in the habit of drawing a tape diagram, and that's okay. Maybe in 4th grade, you didn't draw tape diagrams all the time. Don't worry. Very soon, every time you see word problems, you will automatically draw a tape diagram because you need to get into that habit. Well, this one, we have to first find the total cost, right? We have to say, okay, we paid $5.42 for something. We paid $2.55 for something. And then we paid $3.39 for something. If I want to find the total cost, I have to do what to those individual costs? Add them up. Good. So I have $5.42, $2.55, $3.39. When I add, I need to make sure that all my place values are lined up. Are all my ones on top of each other?
Yes.
All my tenths?
Yes.
All my hundreds?
Yes.
Then I'm good to go. How many hundreds do I have altogether? 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9? 16. Good. I'm going to regroup. How many tenths do I have together? 1 plus 5, no, 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3? 13. Good. I'm going to regroup. How many ones do I have altogether? 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3? Good. So, is my final answer $11.36? No. All this shows is that all together, all the snacks cost $11.36. The question is asking me, how much should each friend pay? So, I have to do a second step. If I know all together the snacks cost $11.36, I have to split that cost equally by 4 people. And one of those sections is how much one friend should pay. Okay? So what math equation should we be doing here? Division. Good. $11.36 divided by 4. What is my whole?
$11.36.
What's my divisor? Knocking on the door. Good. I have 110. Can I split that into 4 equal groups? No, so I have to regroup it. 11 ones. Can I divide that into 4 equal groups?
Yeah.
How much could be in each group? 2 whats? 2 ones. Good. So I'm going to put a 2 in the ones place. How many ones would I have used up altogether?
8.
How many ones are left?
3.
How many?
3.
Very good. I can regroup that 3, those 3 ones, to become 30. No, 3 ones becomes 30 tenths, but I add that to my original 3 tenths. So I have 33 tenths altogether. What's 33 divided by 4? How many tenths did we use up? 32. Good. How many are left? 1. What do we do with that 1/10 that's left? What should we do with that 1/10 that's left? We bring it down to where? We regroup it. So that 1/10 becomes, 1/10 becomes 10 hundredths. But if I bring down the 6 hundredths I already have, how many hundredths do we have altogether? 16 hundredths divided by 4 is?
400.
Thank you. Is 16 hundredths divided by 4? 4?
No.
It's 4.
100.
Good. That's important. Okay, and we have nothing left. So how much should each friend pay? $2.84. Good. So you can see that this is a two-step word problem, and these are examples of how we can draw tape diagrams to model our thinking. Now that you have your tape diagram, you know in order to find the weight of one chair, what you would need to do is first take away the weight of the table from the total weight, right? So you would do 235.86 minus this, right? Because that would give you just this weight. Do you guys agree? Then you would need to take that weight and divide it by 8 in order to find just the weight of one chair. All that math is not hard. Once you know what the problem means and you can draw it into a tape diagram, then it becomes easy to solve.